Winter's definitely here. Wind's blowing. It's like, I don't know, 35 out here. Oh man. Winter's coming. It's about time. Ugh. Holy crap. Yep. There's a fan. Found a pair of crutches and 2 folding chairs at a house down the street. It's Wednesday morning. Still didn't tighten my belt. Definitely got to do that today. My Wednesday run's not that big, so shouldn't take too long. We'll see. Just a stand. They ain't messing with no Christmas trees. Our yard don't like them. Look, it's like a real ironing board, only little. Come on. Looks like there's a stereo down on one of these cans. It's all plastic. Beggars can't be choosers, right? We're here, we might as well take the mops too. Alright, oh, look at that. Some light shells. Do we want them? We might have to come back for them. They're not even really worth it though. Moving on, hopefully we find something heavier. Pulling into the development. Just dodged a state trooper too. Luckily he pulled somebody else over. These guys are crazy over here. There's a barracks on the highway over here, and it's like a training barracks, so it's always different cops in there, different young guys getting trained. It's like we're all test mules out here. Freaking crazy. Alright. See what the low-hanging fruits are this morning. We like low-hanging fruits. Seen something sticking out of this pile. Looks like a chair maybe. Like a little TV dinner tray. Rip the freaking plastic off, might as well leave it. My recycling guy stopped taking my cans because they're full of all kinds of crap. I got away with it a couple times. Oh, there's a radio here too. We didn't grab the other one out of the trash can, so I might as well grab this one. It's already half torn apart. Radios got really good transformers in them. They're always copper, from what I've seen. They're usually crappy plastic radios, but at least there's a transformer in them. There's something else here too. What is that? Some chairs? Oh, some chairs and an ironing board. Maybe. Ooh. And the iron. Wow, we're off. Right by him. Went down the street once, I didn't even see him. Like hiding in the bushes. Not too much over here on this side of the highway this morning. Couple more roads and then we'll head across the pond. Office chair here. I guess we'll pick it up. Scrap Kingdom status, right? Fold-up chairs here. We're gonna have to pull in their driveway, I guess. Traffic's crazy out here in the morning. And we might get away with it. Let these two cars pass. I think we can get it before somebody else comes. Put the hazards on. Looks like there's like 3 of them there. All right, let me go get it. That one's probably definitely aluminum. That thing is so light. The motor, that is. Usually when I pull the motors out of things like that, I'll try to reach in there with a pair of needle nose or something and rip on the windings. And if they're aluminum, I just put them in the motor bin. They're copper. You guys seen the videos. I just take them apart. Pretty easy. Fan motors anyway. Pretty easy. Alright. Let's go across the highway. See if there's any more. Oh, it looks like a slow day today. Didn't really find nothing over here. Guessing I head back to the shop, tighten this belt up before I pull my hair out. Get some gas. Alright, I guess that's it for today. Tighten this belt up, head back, take some stuff apart. Not too eventful, that's for sure. Alright guys, take it easy. Okay, I lied. I guess we're taking the whole thing. Still dodging stadies though. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, heater core, some crappy chairs. Ooh, a faucet. Ooh, we like faucets. Still dodging stadies though. I got somebody else pulled out over there. Pulled over. Alright. Guess that's it. Oh. Scores. A couple mops over there, but we ain't messing with them. We gotta get away from this cop. We don't want to get caught. Yeah, well, apparently I can't tighten my belt because the mounting bracket for the alternators broke. They got it rigged on there with a big washer. I might have to get the parts off the parts truck, I guess, or go to the yard. I need to go to the yard anyway. I got to get a power steering box for the other truck once I scrape up enough money. I spent my whole nut on this one, but whatever. We're still rolling. We're still on the street. All right. I think we're done now. I might come back later, but who knows. Alright, later. Actually, maybe we'll go try to grab those shells that we saw earlier, see if they're still there. It's kind of on the way back to the house, so later. Oh, looks like they didn't show up yet. Guess we'll grab these two shells. They don't weigh much, but whatever. They got braces on the side. Yeah, they do. These things can be a pain in the butt sometimes. She had some extra stuff. All right, maybe we're done this time. I gotta strap this stuff down. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember, subscribe, like, and share. Later.